educational research. In this video lecture, I will explain everything in detail about the educational research, what is qualitative research, what is quantitative research, what are the type of quantitative research and type of qualitative research in details. And I hope that you will learn a lot about the basic of education research in this lecture. So research, the systematic application of a family or method apply to provide trustworthy information about problem. So if we look at this statement, simply it is the systematic application of the methods and apply to provide trustworthy information about the problem. So in research, basically we solve the problem. Education research is an ongoing process based on many accumulated understanding and explanation that when taken together lead to generalize about problem and the development of the theory. So in education we solve the problem, we find the solution of the problem, and we also develop the theory based on the educational research for solving the education problem in education. My name is Dr. Muhammad Riaz. I have completed my PhD from the New York, and this time I am working as a resource person of higher education of commission in the field of education. So let us move in detail about the educational research. So educational research, introduction of the concept. The basic step of education research is scientific and disciplined inquiry is an orderly process involving recognition and identifying of topic to study. So main focus is basically the problem. So we solve the problem in education. So problem is the basic of problem description and execution of process to collection information. So collection of information is the method. To recognize and identify topic to study is the problem. So objective analysis, then we do analysis and find statement of finding is the result. So here you can see in research we find the problem, then we apply the method, then we data analysis, and at the end we find the result. There are type of the research. The first is the basic research, the process of collecting and analyzing information to develop or enhance a theory. So here we sometimes develop or sometimes we enhance the theory for in the research. So that is why we conduct the research. Applied research. Applied research conducted for the applied research is conducted for the purpose of applying or testing theory and evaluating its usefulness for solving the problem. So there is a basic research in which we develop a theory, and there is a applied research in which we test the theory and evaluate and apply in our education system for the development of education. So that's the applied research. The evaluation concerned with making decision about the quality, effectiveness and value of program, product or characters. So evaluation is basically what's the value? We make the educated guess about the research and then find the result. Research continue. So research is mostly conducted in there are two. First is the laboratory. In laboratory we conduct the pure research, that is the basic research, then develop the theory, why it works, then produce concept. So we produce the concept. In the field, the evaluation research, applied, solve the current problem, what work, and provide the data. So it is basic on the concept and it's basic on the data. So you can understand from this diagram the continuous research, the pure research, and then the evaluation research. Approaches to reasoning. One is inductive. Inductive develop generalization from a limited number of specific observation or experience. It's highly dependent on the number and representativeness of the specific observation used to make the generalize. So try to understand the inductive generalize from a limited number of specific. So we take the limited observation, then we generalize in the inductive reasoning, and then depend on the number and representative of specific observation to use the making the generalize. So specific to generalize is inductive. Deductive. Inductive develop a specific prediction from generalized principle, observation, and experience. So here we first predict from the generalized to a specific prediction based on the general. It depends on the truth of generalization used as a basis for its logic. Relating reason with the research method. Pure research and pure research, laboratory research, objective, logical, positive, factually, and snapshot. Fieldwork evaluation is qualitative research, intersubjectively, post-structuralism depth, and portraited. Research method. Quantitative. Quantitative collect, analyze numerical data obtained from formal instrument. So in quantitative, we collect the information in the number, that's a quantitative research, and qualitative collect and analyze non-numerical data over extended period of time to situate meaning with a particular perspective. So if anybody asks me what is the difference between the qualitative research and quantitative research, the qualitative research is basically a collect and analyzing numeric data over extended period of time. On the other hand, in qualitative research, we collect and analyzing non-numeric data over the extended period of time. So that is the major difference between the qualitative research and quantitative research. Quantitative method. Quantitative descriptive research, it's also called survey research, correlation research, causal comparative research, it's also called ex post facto research, experimental research. Descriptive research is a such in descriptive research we collect data in order to answer question about the current status of the subject or topic of the study. It uses formal instrument to study preference, attitude, practice, concern, interest of the sample. So we take the sample in such kind of the research. Correlation research. Co-determine whether and to what degree a relation exists between two or more variables. So correlation is the relation between the variable. The correlation research is the presence of correlation does not indicate a cause and effect relation primarily, but due to the multiple confounding factor. Coefficient of correlation coefficient. So correlation coefficient is 0, then plus positive and then negative. So it's, if there is a strong correlation, then it is a positive, strong positive, and if it is a strong negative, then it is a negative coefficient. So if there is a no relation, then if there is a no relation is found in it. So positive correlation is basically is a straight line between the two variable independent and dependent. Negative correlation is basically the line like this. Is one is increase, other is decrease. No correlation. No correlation is a strong line. It means there is a no relation between two variables. So this line might be horizontal and vertical. Causal comparative research is at least two different groups are compared on a dependent variable or measure of performance called the effect, because independent variable called the cause has already occurred, cannot be manipulated. Variable, concept, intelligence, height, aptitude that can assume any one of the range of value. Research variable, independent activity or characteristic believed to make different with respect to some behavior. Experimental variable, cause statement. Dependent, the change a different occurring a result of independent variable. The criterion variable affect outcome post test. Experimental research. The research select participants and divide them into two or more groups having similar characteristics and then apply to the treatment to the group and measure the effect upon the group. So that is the research select participants and divide them into two or more groups having similar characteristics and then apply the treatment to the group and measure the effect upon the group. So that is experimental research. Quantitative method decision. Is there a cause-effect relation? Yes. Is independent variable manipulated? Yes. Is independent variable manipulated? Experimental? Yes. Causal? Not. Is there a causal and effect relation? Is there a relation or prediction being made? Yes. That's a correlation. So if there is a no, that is descriptive research. So try to understand quantitative method decision are, is there a cause effect relation? If the answer is yes, then is the independent variable manipulated? If the answer is yes, then it's experimental research. If is the independent variable manipulated? No, is a causal comparative research. On the other hand, is there a cause effect relationship? No. Is there a relation or prediction being made? Answer is yes, then is a correlation. Otherwise, it's a descriptive research. Qualitative method, historical research, ethnography, ethology, ethnomethodology, symbolic interaction, group theory, phenomenological, case study, and action research. Historic research. Historic research, available data to study, understand, and interpret the past event. In the historical event, for example, if we would like to conduct the research about the event which happened before the partition between the Pakistan and India, that is basically historical research, and we collect the past data and interpret the past event. Ethnography, Ethnography study culture, pattern, and perspective apart in their natural setting. So, ethnography, we say what people are doing in their real life. Ethnography, writing of the ethics. Ethology, compare the origin, characteristic, and culture of different society. In ethnology, for example, we compare the culture of the white people and black people and the colored people. That is called the ethnology. Ethnomethodology study how people make sense of their everyday activity in order to behave in social acceptable way. That is ethnomethodology. Symbolic interaction. Symbolic investigate how people construct meaning and share perspective by interaction with other. Ground theory. Ground theory research investigates how inductively derived theory and phenomena is grounded in the data of particle setting. Phenomenological consider how the experience of particle participant exhibit in a unique perspective. Case study. Examine the characteristic of particle entity, phenomena or person. Action research, practitioner-based systematic reflection upon practice aimed at improving professional activity. Generally speaking, qualitative research spend a great deal of time in setting being a fieldwork, rely on themselves as a main instrument of data collection subjectively, interactionally, analyze data using interpreted lens, apply experience language and voice in descriptive and explanations, seek depth of perspective, wave of data require ongoing interpretations. So judge the term of believability, trustworthiness, coherence, and logic of interpretations. Type of criticism, internal. Evaluate the worth or trustworthiness of the content of the data. So internal is the basic content of the data. External assess the authenticity of the data source from where we have to get the data. Data source, primary, secondary, and tertiary. Limited of scientific and disciplinary inquiry research, not be investigate philosophically and moral problem should be odd. The presence of intervening and confounding variable make assertion about its infraction is sample instrument and procedure. Now, mini quiz. Identify the research method. A study of the research on the effect of anxiety on achievement from 19 to 9. So, which type of the research? I hope that you understand and your answer will be historical research. Next, a study of the effect of socio-economic status on the self-concept. I hope that the socio-economic status and your answer is causal comparative. Study to compare the achievement of two groups, one group taught in anxiety reduction environment and one group taught in anxiety reducing environment. There are two groups. What kind of research is? Yes, your answer is experimental. Next, a study of the personal and education interaction in a group of teachers developing social study standard for high school curriculum. A study of the personal and education interaction in a group of teachers developing social study standard for high school. What is research? Yes, your answer is qualitative. A study to compare the achievement of group of students classified as high anxiety and a group of classified as low anxiety, and your answer is causal comparative. A study of teacher attitude toward union and research is historical. A study of the effect of large group versus small group instruction upon achievement is the experimental. A study of SAT preparation for 3 students with a particular emphasis on their anxiety is the qualitative. A study to determine the relation between score on anxiety with scale and score on the achievement is the correlation research. A survey of teachers to determine how and what degree they believe anxiety affect is the descriptive research. This module focuses on introductory research concepts which enable educators to access, understand, evaluate research finding and claim to by researcher. Next module, research problem as a function for literature review and formulation of hypothesis. I hope that now you have understand the basic concept of research. If you have any question, please give your comment. Please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for watching the upcoming videos.